Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Discord, join servers, and chat step by step clearly. First, open a web browser on your computer or find the Discord app on your phone. If you do not have Discord installed, go to discord.com and download the official app for your device. Install the app and wait until the setup finishes completely. Open Discord and choose the login option on the first screen. Type your email address or phone number that is connected to your Discord account. Enter your password carefully and make sure there are no typing mistakes. Click or tap Login to access your account. If you see a security check, complete the CAPTCHA to confirm you are not a robot. If Discord asks for a verification code, open your email or authenticator app and enter the code. After logging in, look at the left side to see your server list and the plus icon. To join a server, click the plus icon and select Join a Server. Paste the invite link you received from a friend, website, or community page. Click Join and wait for the server to load. If the server has rules, read them and click Accept or Agree to continue. Now select a text channel from the channel list to start reading messages. Click the message box at the bottom of the channel to type your first message. Press Enter or tap Send to post your message in the chat. To talk privately, click the Friends icon and open your direct messages list. Click a friend's name to open a private chat and type your message. To add a new friend, go to Friends and choose Add Friend. Enter the username correctly with the right capitalization and numbers if needed. Send the friend request and wait for the other person to accept it. To join more communities, use the Explore Public Servers option if it is available. Search by topic. Select a server and review its description and member count. Click Join Server and finish any required steps like rules or verification questions. To manage notifications, right-click the server or channel and choose Notification Settings. To change your status, click your profile area and pick Online, Idle, Do Not Disturb, or Invisible. Log out only when needed by opening User Settings and selecting Log Out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.